fam, it's Flo and we are back with another video. So today we're gonna be doing an Instagram workout. I'm trying to figure out if I want to consolidate everything into like a weekly vlog where I start out with the workout for those of you who want to see the workout, and then you guys can kind of follow me around for the rest of the weekend. During the week it's a little bit more difficult because I work and I'm not really doing anything during the week like that. So I want to try to see if maybe it would be a good idea to do it that way. So let's try that this week and let's see how you guys like it. So we'll start the day today. It is Saturday morning. We will start by doing a workout. I went on Instagram and I was just scrolling through and I saw this girl doing this crazy workout with just a chair. So I was like, okay, I want to try that. So that's what we're gonna do today. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like if you enjoy my videos, and hit that notification bell so that you can know when I post additional videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so I just finished my workout and I look like I am on my way to glory. I had a great workout. I went ahead and followed up with a little bit of cardio afterwards. Alright, so now I'm going to wash my hair because my hair looks like crap. And it's been about a week since I washed it, so we are overdue for a wash, so I'm gonna do that. I've been trying this method lately of using coconut oil to detangle it first, but it's pretty soft right now, so I don't think I really need to do that this time. So I'm just gonna go right into it. My Ipsy box came in for June, so I'll go ahead and show you guys what I got in my box as well. Oh, I also got the She Fit bra, and I've been using it lately. This situation here, the She Fit. I have a picture of it up on my Instagram. It should be up by the time you see this video. And of course the J Sculpt belt, which I started using last week. Whew, child. Between the belt and the bra, I be feeling like I'm about to fall out. But it's worth it. Gonna go shower now, for real. I'll be back. I'm listening to a Private Ryan mix. Look at that. Do y'all see? Do y'all see this hang time? It looks mad short once it dries because of course shrinkage, you know, it's a you know what, but yeah. And I don't know where this one decided to come from, but like, what is your problem? I'm just gonna use a shirt. I'm gonna use a t-shirt to dry my hair. The towel will cause split ends. It's just basically too rough for your hair, okay? So I have a couple things I need to do this weekend. I need to pay my bills. I need to do my nails because they've been looking like this like a week and some change. I was letting them breathe, but it's time now. I need to edit a picture. I've been working on learning how to edit my pictures better. Shout out to my cousin. She is the greatest of all time, like legit. So I'm going to be using some of the techniques that she showed me this weekend, and I'm gonna do like a screen record or whatever so you guys can see how I do that. So cool. So pay my bills, edit my picture for Monday. I'm trying to like reorganize my entire page and kind of like, I guess, a rebranding of sorts, because when I first started out, I was just trying stuff to see, you know, how I wanted it to look and what the flow was that I wanted. And now that I've kind of seen what I did and how it worked and what didn't work, I'm gonna switch things up a little bit. So bear with me. It might get a little crazy, but it's gonna be good, okay? It's gonna be good. And then later on, I have a graduation party for one of my little cousins, and we may or may not go by the beach. So maybe I'll show you guys that depending on, you know, how it goes. I don't like putting the camera in people's face, so you'll very seldom see me vlog with other people unless if they're okay with it. So there's that. But we're gonna try this vlogging thing. I'm super excited about it. I'm gonna start by showing you guys what I got in the Ipsy box, because there's a mask in here that I wanna do, that I picked specifically. And it came at the perfect time because obviously, you know, the skin gods don't want me to be great. So if you've seen my other videos, you've seen what the Ipsy box looks like. It looks like that. So we've got this Pure Lease cleansing milk. Ooh, it's one of those like Asian products. You know, like those Japanese cleansing and skin products. I really like those actually. A Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. That is just for priming before you put on your makeup. Okay, and then we got this Marbled Metals from Ciate London. Oh, it's got like a little thingy to push it down. Okay, that's interesting. So we might have to do a look with that. Oh, it's soft. I thought it was gonna be hard, but it's soft. Ooh. Ooh. Honey. Then we got this Araceli liquid eyeliner, Ojos Perfect. Is that what it says? Yeah. Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliner. And this is what I was excited about, the honey mask, the Hey Honey mask. So this is a youth boosting honey and copper peel off mask, and it full exfoliates and lifts away impurities and drama. Impurities and drama. I forgot that with this mask, you actually have to put a moisturizer on first. I'm gonna use my Ginseng Origins moisturizer. I'm gonna get that all over. Okay. So the mask I think is ready to peel. Let's try to peel it off. Ooh. I was reading some reviews where people were saying that it didn't work for them. I think it's because they didn't put the moisturizer on first, because you have to put the moisturizer on first or it won't work. Ooh. don't want to do that around my hairline because I feel like it'll take out my hairs. Eyebrows are okay. I might as better do something because if I'm not mistaken, I think it's upwards of like $40 or $60 or something like that. So I better move mountains and do miracles. So we are all done with the hair, the face, and all of that. So I'm kind of hungry, but I don't want to eat just yet because I'm supposed to be going to, you know, my cousin's graduation party thing later. And I try to fast as long as I can. So I'm probably just gonna do like a protein shake or something. Just opening the windows because it's so nice outside. Oh, beautiful. But like I can't be in my room without my windows open. Like the windows always have to be open. Well, the shades at least. Because I need, oh, you see that? Look at all of that. Luxurious suns. Yes, look at that. Do you see it? So yeah, and then I be putting all the lights on, like, you know, I pay the light bills and stuff. Going to grab my laptop situation, grab my bill book situation, and let's tackle these bills, alright? So I did a video, I want to say months ago. There's a video on here somewhere about how I budget and how I make allowances and stuff for my bills. So there's definitely something already on that if you're interested to see. Oh man, I'm about to mess up my edges. Oh my god, no. But yeah. So if you're interested to see how I go about paying my bills and how I budget and my little bill book thingy, go ahead and watch that video. It will have this book in it. Boys, heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Now I'm about to go get something to eat because I am starving, okay? Please, does punch? Oh god. Yeah, you might want to do that first before you start offing people. Okay. It's not done? It's almost. It's not ready yet. Okay, okay. So I was about to make a protein shake. I'm starving. Oh my gosh. We're talking about a first-generation American in the streets of the man behind your collapse. And using her experience saved this man's life. So why do I easy on the boy. What boy? No. I do, but I don't. Nope. I do, but I don't. Call your local store or order online and pick up color chips, paint, and supplies without leaving your car. If you're boy, I got it. Okay, thank you. Help me in my efforts. Appreciate you, bro. Oh, you are amazing, man. Thank you. Wow. Quero benediction. Oh, yes. Done eating now. For my dessert, I usually like to have something sweet after I eat. I'm one of those people. So I'm doing some frozen blueberries, just the rest of the box. There isn't a lot left, but what's left of it. I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna get ready to do my nails now. I'm just gonna do a gel nail set, nothing crazy. Just on my natural nails, and I'm going to use a mattifying top coat to make it matte. So I haven't used it before, so I'm hoping that it works well. This is what it looks like. It's the Amelia matte top coat. I also have I have 2 videos actually on doing my nails. So if you want to see like the entire process, just refer to those 2 videos. So I'm gonna watch a little video. One of my YouTubers, I'm gonna watch Laurasia Andrea. I haven't caught up with her in a while, so I'm just gonna go look at her latest videos as she was going through some things. Aww, poor baby. You guys, like, it's a lot going on out there, and it's a lot going on in our personal lives, so you gotta take care of yourself, man. So if you need a break, take the break, okay? And these frozen blueberries, let me tell you something. If you freeze your blueberries, you will never eat blueberries the same way again, ever. So good.
I feel like I'm just really stressed with YouTube. I don't even know if I even want to continue to sit here and do YouTube videos. I feel like mentally it's a lot going on right now. And now it's to the point where I'm like freaking losing all my damn hair. And I'm like getting really stressed out and frustrated. Like, I just feel like I don't really know what's going on in my life.
You gotta
right
take
now.
a break, sweetheart.
You know, this whole quarantine thing or whatever, but I feel like it's literally
Quarantine
like
is rough. Tell you something, with this quarantine thing, I cry at least 3 times a day. And it's not really because anything is necessarily wrong. It's just very hard to be stuck inside all the time and to feel like you can't interact with anybody like on purpose. Like, it's insane. And if you're already dealing with your own personal stuff, or you're not exactly where you want to be, it just makes it harder, you know? So I totally understand her. Miss you, I miss you. To tell the truth, I've been thinking about you lately. I miss you, miss you, miss you, I miss you. Christmas Day, you said you had a ring, but you changed your mind. Still caught up in the streets. Boy, the truth is hard to believe. Why are you really scared of me? So now that my nails are done, bills are paid, Ipsy box was opened, I'm gonna go ahead and try to work on editing this picture while I just lay down for a second. And then I'm going to get dressed to head over to my uncle's house for my cousin's graduation.
Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a get cool. I take your bitch right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Beat down her that bitch to come for me. I swear these niggas is under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. Back rows on me, keep me competition. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. All set. All set. All set. All set.
So we are at the beach. Say hi, Johanna.
Hi.
It's my cousin. It is legit beautiful. Perfect weather. It's literally 18 minutes, dude. 18 seconds worth of deliciousness. And we're just gonna hang out. My other cousins are actually on their way now, and my aunties. So we're just gonna hang out for a little bit and go back to the graduation party. The graduation party I was telling you guys about earlier, we did go, and then we said we're gonna go to the beach and come back. Talk to y'all later. So I definitely forgot to close out the vlog yesterday. So today we will continue just a little bit. I'm not doing much today. I'm gonna be going in the pool at some point in time and do some laps for my workout. Right now I'm binging on YouTube stuff, just watching like random stuff. I like to do this on Sundays. I have to do a few things for work, so I have to log on in a little bit. But besides that, today's just a chill day. It's Sunday, so I won't be doing much, but I just wanted to check in with y'all.
I'm still using this cleaning vinegar.
So I am about to work for a little bit. I have some things to take care of, and then I'm going to clean the pool. This is how we're looking today. It is hot as bajals. Probably not gonna do too much more vlogging after this because I don't really have anything else going on today. So I'll probably just come back and close out for you guys. Alright, Glow Fam, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my workout, and I will see y'all in the next vlog. Bye.